Okay, this is a cyst, a very hard cyst. Okay, this is from the wrong drug use. Okay, let's pitch it and let's see what gonna happen. Nothing, 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 and the ultimate nothing. Okay, that is all. This is a very wrong method. Okay, that I follow because there is many how is the English word um, mikrovios in Greek. Okay, normalmente you use this drug. Okay, and about 1 month it's disappear. But if you see how what happened when I pinch it, you understand that it's a very bad thing inside me. That's all. Thank you.